there are some laws of indices that we need to know. So I'm starting with the first one. First one says that if you are multiplying two bases and the bases are same, first base has a power or index of m and the other one has n, then according to the first law of index or the indices, we can add the indices and write them over a single base. For example, if it is written that 5 raised to 3 is being multiplied by 5 raised to 4, then if I try to expand this one, 5 raised to 3, it means that 5 will be multiplied with 5 3 times. Similarly, if I now try to expand this term, 5 raised to 4, it would mean that 5 is to be multiplied with 5 4 times. So if we now count the 5, it becomes 5 raised to 7 because there are 7 5 bases which are being multiplied with each other. So the law of indices says that you should simply add the powers which were written on the same base, and the sum of the powers would represent the answer that you should get. So if we are trying to find out the answer in the index form, then 5 raised to 7 would be the answer. Now to practice this law, I've written over here some examples. In part A, 4 raised to 7 is being multiplied with 4 raised to 5. Since the bases are same, both bases are 4 and they are being multiplied with each other, so we can add their powers or their indices. So I would be writing a single base 4, then the index of the first term plus index of the second term. So it would come out to be equal to 12. 4 raised to 12 would be the answer of this part. In part B, it says minus 3 raised to 6 multiplied by minus 3, and there is no power over here, so we know that the power is going to be equal to 1. Now again, the bases are same. First term is being written with the base minus 3, second term also has the base minus 3, and the same bases are being multiplied. So the first law of indices would be applicable over here. I will be writing a single base minus 3, then the first index 6 plus the second index 1. So it would become equal to minus 3 raised to 7. This is the answer of the second part. Moving on to the third one, it says a raised to 12 multiplied by a raised to 8. Again, the indices are same. Sorry, the bases are same and they are being multiplied with each other. So I will be writing a single base, and in the index, I will be adding both of the powers. So 12 plus 8, it would become a raised to 20. Now, the last one says 2 times x into y raised to 4 multiplied by 3 times x raised to 5y cubed. So first of all, I'll be multiplying both the numbers with each other. This 2 will get multiplied by 3. So we get 2 3s are 6. Secondly, I'm writing x with another x since their bases are same. So x being multiplied with x raised to 5 and y raised to 4 would get multiplied by y raised to 3. In the next step, since these two bases are same and the bases are being multiplied with each other, so their indices would get added. So I will be writing 1 plus 5, and now we have another base y. Two bases are same being multiplied with each other, so their indices would again be added. So I'll be writing 6 times x raised to 6, y raised to 7 as the final answer.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you liked the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.